Hello everyone, my name is Gurun Muldeep Singh. I study in class 8. My roll number is 5. Today I am going to tell about some medicinal plants and their uses or importance in medicine. So let's start. My first medicinal plant is aloe vera. So the scientific name of aloe vera is aloe vera and it belongs to the family known as Asphodelaceae. Now I will give some basic information about aloe vera. Aloe vera is also known as a wonder plant because of its lot of benefits. It is a stemless or very short stemmed plant growing to 60 to 100 centimeter tall. It grows in hot dry climates. Aloe vera contains vitamins, enzymes, minerals and other antioxidants like vitamin C and E. Now I will tell some medicinal uses of aloe vera. It has antioxidants and antibacterial properties. It accelerates wound healing. It reduces dental plaque. It may improve skin and prevent wrinkles. It lowers blood sugar level. It heals burns because of soothing and cooling properties. Aloe vera improves digestive health. These are some of the medicinal uses of aloe vera and there are many other. Now we move on to the second medicinal plant. Second medicinal plant is neem. Scientific name of neem is Azadirachta indica and it belongs to the family known as mahogany. Now I will give some basic information about neem. Neem is a fast growing tree that can reach a height of 50 to 20 meter and really 35 to 40 meter. It is deciduous, shedding many of its leaves during dry winter months. The branches are wide and spreading. The fruit of neem is smooth, olive-like and bitter in taste. Now I will tell some medicinal uses of neem. Neem is used as a wound healer. Neem leaves used in eye trouble like irritation and tiredness and redness of eyes. Neem has been extensively used in Ayurveda, Unani, homeopathic medicine. All parts of neem tree, leaves, flower, seeds, fruits, roots, and bark have been used for the treatment of inflammation, infection, fever, skin diseases, and dental disorders. These are some of the medicinal uses of neem, and there are many other because these are very useful in our life and in medicine. Now we move on to the third medicinal plant, which is coriander. Scientific name of coriander is Coriandrum sativum. It belongs to the family known as Apiaceae. Now the basic information about coriander is coriander is an annual herb. It is also known as Chinese parsley or dhania. All parts of the plant are edible, but the fresh leaves and the dried seeds are the part mostly used in cooking. It is a soft plant growing to 50 centimeter tall. The leaves are variable in shape. Now I will tell about medicinal uses of coriander. Coriander seeds, extract, and oils may all help lower blood sugar. It is rich in immune boosting antioxidants. Coriander reduce brain inflammation, improve memory, and reduce anxiety symptoms. Herbal medication, which consists coriander extracts, used for digestion issues like abdominal pain and bloating, etc. It uses in infections because of its antimicrobial properties. Coriander contains antioxidants that may protect your skin from aging and sun damage. These are some of the medicinal uses of coriander and there are many other. Now our fourth medicinal plant is mint. The scientific name of mint is Mentha and it belongs to the family known as Lamiaceae. Now I will give information about mint. Mints are aromatic perennial herbs. They have wide spreading underground and overground stolons. Mint have erect square branch stems. The leaves are arranged in opposite pairs. Leaf colors ranged from dark green and grey green. Mint grows all year around. Now I will tell some medicinal uses of mint. Mint is essential oil and menthol is used in antiseptic, mouth rinses, toothpaste. Mint is rich in nutrients and especially good source of vitamin A. Mint is used in medicines for digestive disorders. Mint is used in syrups for treating cold and flu. Mint improve brain functions because mint is essential oil work as a medicine. Now we move on to our last medicinal plant, which is known as Giloy plant. The scientific name of Giloy plant is Tanospora cordifolia, and it belongs to the family known as Menispermaceae. Now I will give some basic information about Giloy plant. It is a large, deciduous, extensively spreading, climbing shrub with several elongated twining branches. Leaves are simple, alternate, and it gets its name heart-leaved moonseed by its heart-shaped leaves and its reddish fruit. Now I will tell some medicinal uses of Giloy plant. In Ayurveda, Giloy has been used over centuries to treat various diseases. Giloy used for chronic fever and dengue fever because it improves platelet count and improves immunity. Giloy controls blood sugar level because it helps to enhance the production of insulin. Giloy improves digestion and reduces problems like diarrhea, colitis, vomiting, etc. It is used as in Panchkarma and very effective to improve eyesight. So these are my 5 medicinal plants and their importance in medicine. Thank you everyone and have a nice day. Bye bye.